Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your right click lagging and taking a long loading time on Windows 10. Okay, so for example, when you right click on any icon on desktop, you see the loading icon and it takes time for this window right here to open. It's not taking time right now because I've already fixed it and I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, so the result will be when you right click, this window will open quickly. Okay, so it's functioning properly and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first of all, look at your keyboard and locate the Windows icon. Okay, the icon with the four windows, the key, sorry, for the four windows. Okay, uh, and type this key with the R button, R as in Robert. Okay, type it with the R and the run window will open, and type regedit. Okay, just type regedit and click on OK. Click on yes. All right, and what you want to locate right here is this directory right here. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step. You go to H key class root, you expand that, then you go to directory. Okay, directory. All right, and then you go to background, Shellex, and context menu handlers. Okay, so here, these two folders, new and work folders, you're gonna have to keep them. Okay, don't delete them. But the folders that are located under context menu handlers, okay, other than new and work folders, okay, if you see these folders, okay, delete them. Okay, you don't need them. Okay, just delete them and keep these two folders. Okay, after you delete those uh, folders that you don't need, okay, you'll be able to right click on any icon and the right click will open quickly. Okay, that's all you have to do. Okay, you have to delete those folders other than new and work folders. Okay, so that's all. And I'll leave this directory in the description box below so you can follow it. Okay, and that's all we have to do, guys. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and like this video and tune in for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.